Hey guys, it's me, Braden from Braden's Adventures, and I'm going into 6th grade, and I'm going to be getting lockers this year. So let's practice a combination lock so I at least know how to do it. Let's get into the video. Alright, so to reset it, you're going to spin past the 0 twice and land on your first number, which is, for me, 20. And then you're gonna go past your first number to your second number, which is 38 for me. And then you're gonna go back to your first number and boom, it's unlocked. That is how you unlock combination locks. So, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. See ya, guys.